Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are in Seabrook Village and I am here with Trisha with Riverside Homes, and Trisha is going to be walking us through this beautiful quick moving home that they have available. So Trisha, please tell us where we're at.
Absolutely. So again, we are at 336 Blue Hampton Drive here in Seabrook Village in Nocatee, and this is one of our most sought after plans. So let's go take a tour.
Okay, let's do it. I love the exterior of the house, that's for sure. Front porch.
Yeah, it's super cute with the welcoming front porch where you can kind of set up rocking chairs or like a little front porch swing, little table. And you walk right into this beautiful gallery that has this 2-story space.
Beautiful. Love the super high ceilings here.
Yes, it's super inviting, and it also gives you that wow factor as soon as you come in the door, and I feel like that sets the tone for this entire house.
Absolutely.
Just coming in and going, wow, and then it just continues as you move through the home. So this is our Sebring plan. It's one of our most popular. It is a tried and true fan favorite. So this is going to give you kitchen with lots of storage, cabinetry. It has a walk-in pantry. This is going to come with stainless steel appliances. Awesome. With the gas cooktop. It is a 5-burner gas cooktop stove, and there is a griddle that can go in the center, which is awesome.
Oh, that's great.
And then it's very neutral in here. So as you can see, it's got the desired white upgraded cabinet. It's got very neutral finishes as far as the handles and the fixtures. It goes with the stainless steel appliances. It has gorgeous quartz countertops. And then the beautiful white subway tile that has some texture to it for the backsplash. It's just a chef's delight in here, really.
Yeah, the kitchen finishes are beautiful, and I love that you have this separate space over here for both the fridge, but as well as a wine nook or a little coffee nook or whatever you choose to drink.
And then this particular home is going to have some really detailed features, including the double tray ceiling here in the great room with a ton of natural light, that triple slider on the back. It leads right into the backyard, which is a great space. It's already partially fenced in, plenty of room to add landscaping. You could add a pool back here. There's just so much room to create this backyard oasis. Whatever your heart's desire for being here in Nocatee, you could create that in this space, which is awesome. And then this triple slider, again, lets in so much natural light, along with the windows on the side. So this space just is really calming with that natural light that comes in and kind of filters through this whole space.
Love it. Yeah, the backyard is a great size, especially for this neighborhood in general. It's quite a large backyard. And the neutral that we're talking about, the warm floors really add a lot of texture and character to this home, which I love that you guys did that.
So heading into the great room, or the owner's suite, sorry, we do have that located here on the first level. So it is going to keep the main spaces that you as the owner would be spending your time in is all down here.
Love that.
And so this is going to be your owner's suite. It does have that tray ceiling, tons of, again, natural light coming in the back, filtering through. And then moving into the owner's bathroom, you're going to have this beautiful marble looking tile, again with the quartz countertops. And I love the drawer stack on the vanity. So much storage. Because you just don't have enough. There's never enough when it comes to the bathroom. And then the beautiful walk-in shower.
Yeah, it's very like luxurious feeling. I love that you guys did the tiles all the way up. It's stunning.
And a lot of people are really loving this. I don't know what it's called, but this like walk in without the door.
Yes.
Like you just kind of walk into it. The good news is that the handles are away from the shower, so you don't get wet, which is awesome. And then you kind of filter right into this owner's closet. And there's tons of storage in here as well. It's pretty good size. And I can just kind of picture even doing some of the built-ins in here.
Oh, absolutely.
To create like customized storage
closet of your dreams.
Space.
And one thing that we were talking about before we started was that this road is almost complete in the sense of construction. So really, you could move in and not have to really worry too much about construction because it's almost done.
Yes, this street, actually, there's only, I think, 2 houses left that are on this street specifically, which is going to offer a lot. One of the things I do love about this house, we do offer a ton of storage. So this has full storage under the stairs. And it does kind of wrap around, which is really nice.
That's great for
Something
suitcases or a
yes.
Harry Potter closet. I know people
Yes.
like to do that. So,
And there just doesn't seem to be a lot of houses that have that extra storage space. So it's
Agreed.
nice where you can have it kind of tucked away but easily accessible. And it is close to the laundry room. So again, extra storage close to the kitchen. This could be where you put your bulk items. If you have cabinets in here, it is plumbed for a sink. And then as far as this drop zone right here by kind of the garage door, you can do some hooks, you can do a small bench, you can do little lockers. There's so much you can do. This house is so welcoming, but it's also very neutral, and it's got a lot of blank canvases where you can really create a functional flow that works for your family.
Love it. What square footage is this home again?
So this house is just shy of 2,400 square feet.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say, it feels like a great size.
And then it's gonna be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, owner's suite downstairs, 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a loft area upstairs that can also double as maybe an office space, could be a homework area, definitely kids play area, could be teen hangout room, could just be a second sitting room if it's anything like my household. My husband likes sports, I like Hallmark. So, you know, just having 2 separate TV spaces, you just never know when you have that need.
Absolutely.
And then again up here, we have 1 bedroom that is going to have an ensuite right on it. It does have a walk-in closet. So that's a really great space for either the older teenager that's ready for their own space, not to share with their little brother or sister, but also as a great guest space.
Yeah. It's a very versatile room for sure. Maybe even an office if you needed to, if you wanted a dedicated one that had a bathroom in it.
Absolutely. And then on the other side, we have 2 suites with the shared hall bath. And this is going to give you tons of countertop space. You just don't have enough when it comes to the bathroom. So I love this larger vanity that these 2 bedrooms would share.
Yeah, this is actually one of my favorite bathroom layouts that you guys do.
And then again, so much natural light. I feel like the window placement in this house just offers so much light.
I was thinking that too when you're walking up the stairs. It's awesome.
I feel like it filters in from every direction, no matter what room you are in.
Agreed. I mean, you don't even need the lights on really, because there's just so much natural light coming in. All right, well, let's come where all the windows are. Gonna light us up. So Trisha, please remind us where we are at and how people can get in contact with you about this home.
So again, this is Riverside Homes, and we are at 336 Blue Hampton in Seabrook Village. So if you want to reach us, you can contact me directly at 302-388-3607, or you can stop here in the model. We're actually located in 2 models. You can see us in Crosswinds, or you can see us in Reflections. Again, Riverside Homes, and come check us out.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Trisha. To our viewers, we hope you're having a great day. You definitely want to come out to Seabrook Village and Reflections and Crosswinds to talk with the Riverside team, because this home's not going to last very long. We hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.